Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you in this video. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Taurians. Okay, so we have the Devil, the Nine of Cups, okay, and the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the World, Seven of Swords, the Four of Swords, and the Five of Cups. So Taurians, there is something which is there is something here which is actually creating problems in your happiness. Though you are happy, but there is something within you. It's like though you look happy and content, and maybe you are but there is something still deep within you, or maybe some aspect of your life in which you really feel left out and you really suffer a sense of loss there. Okay, maybe you feel ignored or rejected. Maybe you feel there is some sort of sense of loss over there, or sense of abandonment over there. So it's like a decrease in your happiness. Okay, so there is, though you are happy, though everything is fine, everything is going on fine, but still at some corner of your heart there is some issue, or there is some abandonment issue which is affecting or sort of decreasing your happiness. Okay, it's marring your happiness. You're not able to be as happy as you would like to be, or it's like it's not 100%, it's decreasing to like 90% or 80% sort of. It's something of that. So there is some aspect of your life which talks about that abandonment issue, because of which your happiness is decreasing, or you feel a lack of happiness in that aspect of your life perhaps. One more thing is that, okay, then we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the World. So what I feel here is that even though you have those issues, still you are, it's like, get back up once again, get up and get going sort of a thing. And you are trying to manifest a new beginning in your life. Okay. You are manifesting a new beginning in your life. You're trying to close that chapter. You're trying to step into a new area of your life. Slowly and steadily you are doing it. Okay, so you are trying hard, you are making all the efforts which need to be made, and you are slowly and gradually trying to open up a new chapter of your life. But somehow then we have the Seven of Swords, the Four of Swords, and the Five of Cups. So there is something here which is really making you upset, and that is because of somebody is getting away with something. There is some sort of cheating or some sort of lies and deception which is going on, you are doing or somebody else is doing with you. There is something here which is going on, and because of that you really feel upset. And at some point in time, I think you stop fighting, or you just surrender to the situation. That's what I feel. Whatever is going on here, that's what I feel. You finally seem to surrender yourself to this situation, as to whatever. It's like, okay, you've left it in the hands of God. Okay, let the universe handle it, because you feel that it's beyond you, or no, it's like You can't do anything much in this situation. Whatever the situation is, you're trying your best to come out of it. You're trying your best to do whatever you can, but it is because something else is going on behind your back actually. And then you just realize that, okay, there is no point in fighting this situation. So you just focus on your healing. You just focus on your own self, just trying to surrendering it to the universe. Okay, let's see how things come up and how it will be. It's sort of that. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Okay, yeah, we have the Seven of Clubs. So it is a struggle here. So you feel that there is a struggle going on. There is some sort of opposition there. Perhaps it can be at your workplace also. You feel there is some sort of an opposition, or somebody is doing something behind your back, and that is what is making you actually upset. Okay, so you feel that there is a tough opposition there. That's what I feel. That is why I'm saying it can be at the workplace also, and you feel that you really can't do much about it. Guidance from the angels, messenger of emotion. This is a beginning of a new emotional experience that could grow into something deeper. You may receive a message expressing feelings that you didn't even know were developing. A social invitation could be on its way to you. There's a person involved who is very gentle and loving with only kindest of intentions. It could be you, especially if you're artistic, shy, and sensitive. Okay, so Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.